If you're looking for a GoHighLevel free trial, I have good news. I've included a special sign-up link below this video where you can get a 30-day free trial instead of the standard 14-day trial period. But that's not all. When you sign up through this offer, you can also join a free live HighLevel Bootcamp and get access to several free bonus resources. Let me quickly show you what's included. First, you will get 30 days to try GoHighLevel. This gives you more time to explore the platform and actually test it for your business. When you sign up on this page, you will get the option for a one-to-one kickoff call. Instead of rushing through the platform, you can spend time setting things up and learning how the different features work. The biggest extra with this offer is the free live HighLevel Bootcamp. It's a live, click-by-click session with the HighLevel team where you can follow along and set things up. The bootcamp covers things like text marketing, missed call text back, social media integrations, Google Business Chat, reputation and review management. The sessions are designed to help you actually launch and set up HighLevel instead of just watching another webinar. You also get access to several bonus resources, including Lead Gen Playbook, 5-Day Challenge Access, Essaypreneur Playbook, HighLevel Launch Snapshot, HighLevel Funnel. These are included as part of the current bootcamp offer. So, if you've been thinking about trying GoHighLevel, you can use the link in the description to get your 30-day free trial and access the free live bootcamp and bonus resources. Check my other video how you can replace 10+ marketing tool with GoHighLevel all-in-one CRM. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more simple GoHighLevel tutorials.